Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Germany ang Japan 75-64. Top performer si Sato Sabali sa likod ng kanyang 33 points, 6 rebounds at 3 assists. Nakapag-ambag naman ng 15 points, 5 rebounds si Maki Takada para sa Japan. Wagi naman ng Australia kontra sa Canada 70-65. Nagtala ng 19 points, 5 rebounds, 10 assists at 2 steals si Sammy Whitcomb. Para naman sa natalong Canada, nagtala ng 19 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists at 3 steals si Bridget Carlton. Tinambakan naman ng France ang Nigeria 75-54. Humakot ng 15 points, 5 assists si Marini Johans ng France. Nagtala naman ng 18 points, 2 assists at 3 steals si Ezi Nikalo ng Nigeria. Wagi naman ng USA kontra sa Belgium 87-74. Nagtala ng 26 points, 7 rebounds at 5 assists si Brianna Stewart. Habang nag-ambag ng 24 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists si Emma Misiman ng Belgium. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of August 1, 2024. Sa Group A, Serbia 2 win 0 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. Spain 2 win 0 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. Puerto Rico 0 win 2 losses. China 0 win 2 losses. Sa Group B naman, France 2 win 0 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. Nigeria 1 win 1 loss. Australia 1 win 1 loss. Canada 0 win 2 losses. Para naman sa Group C, USA 2 win 0 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. Germany 2 win 0 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. Belgium 0 win 2 losses. Japan 0 win 2 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang game schedule ngayong August 3, 2024. Magharap ang China at Puerto Rico alas 5 ng hapon Philippine time. Maglalaban naman ang Serbia at Spain alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.